Seasons in the Southern Hemisphere. A journey through time and clime. Hello and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we are going to embark on an exciting journey. We're going to discover the seasons in the Southern Hemisphere. Now, this might seem a bit confusing if you're used to the seasons in the Northern Hemisphere, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how and when the seasons change down under. The Earth is divided into two halves called hemispheres. The Northern Hemisphere is the top half, and the Southern Hemisphere is the bottom half. But what's interesting is that these hemispheres experience seasons at different times. When it's winter in the Northern Hemisphere, it's summer in the Southern Hemisphere and vice versa. This happens because of the tilt of the Earth as it orbits the Sun. The Southern Hemisphere includes countries like Australia, Argentina, and South Africa. Let's now understand the four seasons in the Southern Hemisphere. 1. Summer. This is the warmest season. In the Southern Hemisphere, summer starts in December and ends in February. 2. Autumn, also known as fall. This season is a transition from summer to winter. In the Southern Hemisphere, autumn starts in March and ends in May 3rd. Winter. This is the coldest season. In the Southern Hemisphere, winter starts in June and ends in August. 4. Spring. This season is a transition from winter to summer. In the Southern Hemisphere, spring starts in September and ends in November. If you're from the Northern Hemisphere, it might be strange to think about Christmas in the summer or Easter in the autumn. But for those in the Southern Hemisphere, this is the norm. The key point to remember is that the seasons in the Southern Hemisphere are roughly 6 months ahead of the seasons in the Northern Hemisphere. And there you have it. You now know that when it's snowing and cold in December in New York, it's sunny and warm in Sydney. This can be a fun fact to remember when you're writing dates and talking about seasons in English. It's a great example of how learning a language can also teach us so much about the world. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and you'll keep improving. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting topics in our English language learning series.